Hi, I'm Jennifer from EcoWool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plant seeds in your garden using wool pellets. So like all other seed planting, you want to make a valley in the soil to put your seeds in. Then you want to grab a handful of pellets and just sprinkle the pellets in, not too thickly, but enough to just cover most of the soil. You know, maybe a 75% covering. So each seed will have access to a few pellets for moisture retention. Then, depending on the kind of seed you've got, plant as usual. So I have some very large seeds here, so they're a little deeper and a little further spaced apart. After you put your seeds in with your pellets, cover up, and you're ready to water.